Hey guys, it's Raylene here. I'm the ED of Tribe Leadership Consulting, and I'm a business coach and basically a personal effectiveness coach. And what that means is I just help people get out of their own way, work together, be collaborative, find ways to sort of move their life and business forward. And today I just want to talk to you. I'm sitting out here in this beautiful yard in the sunshine and wanting to talk a little bit about what do you do when you just feel like you're not moving forward, when you just feel like you're kind of tired, maybe not physically, maybe physically, but kind of emotionally and spiritually not feeling productive, not feeling you're moving forward at all, and what that kind of means in your own self. And you know, when you're trying to figure out what the next steps are, or you know, sometimes our brains just get really overwhelmed and really cluttered with all the different things we have to do. And I'm kind of the queen of filling up my time with sometimes mindless productivity. And I've really had to take a step back from that over the last couple of years and really figure out what are my rhythms, what are the things that I really need to do when I feel like I'm running out of steam. And I guess I want to tell you my number one tip, and this is what's really worked for me, and that is to stop. Just stop. Stop trying to push forward and get through my day and be super productive. Stop trying to, you know, figure out how do I motivate myself. Do I need another cup of coffee? Do I need to just push through? And really understand two things. Am I stuck because I'm procrastinating and I just really don't want to do the thing that I have to do, and it's actually a detriment to me if I don't move forward? Or is it because I just need to take a pause? And I don't think we do that enough in life. I think we don't take enough pauses. We don't stop. We don't sort of sit and understand that sometimes we just need to recharge. Sometimes it's a Netflix day. Sometimes it's, you know, I need to take my husband and I call it a render nap, because, you know, you just need you need that time to sort of recharge. Sometimes it's sitting out in the yard and having a sparkling water or a cocktail or a cup of coffee. Sometimes it's taking a walk and connecting with a friend. But instead of just pushing through like I used to just push through all the time, I just stop. I just stop. And I say, you know, I know for myself that if I just let myself follow the rhythms that are actually natural for me, that I will be more productive later. So it might be later I'll decide, you know what, I've had my break. I'm going to go back in. I'm just going to choose something that I kind of don't mind doing. Maybe if I still really want to have a YouTube video on in the background, I might do some, I don't know, some bookkeeping, or I might reorganize my computer desk, or something that doesn't require a lot of brain attention from me. But other times, if there's things I really need to move forward on, I'll tell myself, Raylene, just do one. Just do one thing. Just start that client proposal. You don't have to finish it, but just start it. Let's just get the header in there. Let's get a few key points in there, you know, or maybe let's send that one email that needs to get out, just to get it off my plate. Today is Friday. Went out for lunch with my in-laws, had a nice sort of afternoon, but it's easy to say, you know what? I don't feel like doing anything else today. I don't think I'm gonna be all that productive or motivated. But instead of doing nothing, I just decided to do the thing that I want to do, which is connect with you guys and sort of express to you how, if you're feeling this way, you have to really go with what you feel. You know what? You're a grown-up. You know what you need. Whether or not society tells you that's right, or whether or not you've got pressure from other places, you know what you need in order to move forward and be productive. So don't be ashamed of that. Grow up, take your own advice, and do the things that you need to do to be productive and move forward. Give yourself a break. Love yourself a little more. See you in the next video.